Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another quick plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. And this week I will be using stickers from my newest release. This is the Orchids collection. So this is the deco, the circles, and the swatches. I've already used the quote and washi for a different spread. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually write the days of the week along the side here with my Le Bon Rosa in Lilac fountain pen. I had to stop writing for a second so I could remember what the name of the pen was. And the ink that is in here is Colorverse Alpha Pisces. And I'm just going to draw a line. No, I'm not using a ruler. I know that might freak some people out. All right, so I'm going to take one of the bigger circles and just place that right there. And I mean, yeah, I could use one of the bigger ones, but it's not a big deal. Then I'll place this here and this little one here. I like that. And then on this side, I think this is where I get a chance to use this really, really big one. Yeah, I think that will be really cute. I'm gonna put this over here like this. Or do I use the little one? Oh, I don't know. Or I could have the little one coming out like that. Okay. And so I would like to use all of the stickers in this deco sheet if I can. These were so fun to draw in Procreate because I never thought that I could draw orchids, but after a few tutorials and some practicing and a little bit of swearing because it wasn't turning out the way that I wanted it to, and then trying different color combinations, I ended up getting it, and I really like the way that this turned out. Oh, I love that. Love that. And then I think I will put this one here. Now it does take a little bit of room away from, what am I trying to say? It takes a little bit of room away from the writing, but I'm realizing actually that if I don't have enough space to write in here, then I could just use the notes pages on the back. And I didn't use them all last year. So this gives me, I feel like, a little bit more license to decorate in these spreads. It wants to go down. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then I have one more. So of course I'm gonna use it, but where? Almost feels like it should go there because it looks a little blank, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. And then I'm going to just take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and write notes there. And then now that I've written that, I realize my these will not be big enough for that. Oh well. Oh, still pretty, still pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna go in here and write in all of my meetings. So there is my overall finished spread. I really like it. It's still wintry but floral, which I like because I'm not going to decorate everything with winter and snow until, well, April, which is how long we have snow here for. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in this collection, it is still available in my shop, and I've left the link for my shop in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.